Hello and welcome back in this new video. So today we will be talking about some new strategies by which we can promote offers. Okay, for today tutorial I have chosen ClickBank as a platform from where I will be choosing product and promoting it and guide you how to promote those offers in different platform. It's free, absolutely free. So don't worry about your money. Okay. So let's get started. At first come to your ClickBank account and click on your marketplace section. Click on this search icon. Offers will display in your screen and then just you have to for today video we have selected Java Burn. Click on it and then just when you will click you will get to see that their landing page. Just go through that. We won't be creating landing page, so don't worry about that. Just for an overview you can check out the landing page, what kind of product it is and how you can promote it. Okay, when you are done with that, just come to back to ClickBank and click on promote. From here generate your hop link, which is an affiliate link of yours. For future just paste it in your notepad for future use. Next step is you have to register with Reddit. If you have account then fine, if you don't have, create it. It's easy and simple. And then now just click on this plus icon. We will be creating a new post. So how you can create a new post? When you will come back to the landing page of Java Burn, you will get an idea about how to create a post. Just select their written text, copy it, and you can paste it over here. Even next, you can take a snapshot of these pictures and paste it here. Okay, so I am already done with that in order to save your time. So I won't do that. Just let me come to my profile section and show you what kind of post I have created. Okay, this is the same post which you are able to see, the world first. Then we will come back here, is written same thing, the world first. Okay, same picture is there. This is the picture that I have taken snapshot of, and the first one, this one is the picture. So these two pictures I have taken. This one is the one and the second one is this. And next when you will, how you can insert your affiliate link here. What you will do when you are about to create your create your post, so what you can do is just select it here and then after selecting just click on this icon and copy your affiliate link from here and paste it in this place. Okay, just paste it in this link section and apply it. So this is the way you will uh, create your post, and after creating, just what you will do, just click on post. Okay, here an icon will display which will be post. As I have already created this post, so it's no want it isn't showing now. In your case you will be able to see post here, so click on that. Okay, when your post is ready, so many people can come here and they will obviously, when they will see and when they click on your this link here, they will be redirected towards your towards the landing page of Java Run, and where and there your affiliate link also is there. Okay, when they purchase from your affiliate link, you will get a commission. So it's easy and simple. And now let's move on to the second strategy. At first, just come here. After coming here, just search for fitness. Okay, when you will search for fitness, you can take videos out of here also, but I am not taking. You can choose any videos, it's absolutely free. You already know that. Photos, as for now I have taken this photo. I have downloaded it already. So let's move on to the strategy. Again, come to imgur.com. Okay, come to imgur.com, create an account here. It's very easy to create an account. Okay, when you are done with that, we will be creating a post. Drag your image here, the image which I have downloaded. I will click, drag it here. Okay, what you will give your post a title. So I am already done with title. We just select and copy this title and paste it over here. Okay, in the same way, some description is also needed. So looking to lose weight easy, copy this thing and paste it over here. Okay, we will be putting our post link. So what we can do, come back to your Reddit and grab your link from here, your post link, and paste it over to this place. Okay, so now it's everything is done and fine. Put some tag over here, fitness, weight loss, lose weight. So okay, you can put as many tags related to this post, and then what you have to do now is to a community. Okay, just post publicly. You don't need to put to anything here, just post it publicly. It's done now, so you are able to see your post here. So this is your post. Whenever someone sees your post and when they click on it, this thing, they will be redirected to Reddit, and when they click here, then they will redirected to Java bar. They will be redirected to Java bar landing page, and when they purchase a product from there, you will get an affiliate commission. So it's easy and simple.